In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery on your 2019 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra. It's a very easy process, only takes about 2-3 minutes, so let's go ahead and get started. Now that's the key fob right there. First off, we need to get the physical key out. To press the button there, get the key out. Now you will need a house key, something that's slim like that, slim and long, right? Get a key like that and hold the key fob with one hand, but you just want to support the fob. You don't want to press down on it, right? So just support the fob with one hand, get the key, and get the key right there in the middle there, right where I'm putting it, and then twist it. So twist and turn, take a few seconds, and that's gonna pop it open. Right there, that's the spot. Be patient with it, and there it is, it pops. Now, get the two sides off. Get the side with the Hyundai emblem on it, get that off, because that's where the battery is. The other side with the keys, it's just sort of sitting in there. So if you hold it upside down, the buttons and the computer chip is going to fall down, and you don't want to damage it. Now let's get the part with the battery. There's some information there. In order to get the battery out, we will need to use that key again and pry the battery out. Be careful, the battery is probably going to pop and fly, and that's okay. Let's take a look at the pre-existing battery. It clearly states on it CR2032. That's the battery number, CR2032. You can find a replacement one anywhere. It's a very common battery size. It clearly states what the positive side is with the plus on it. And when we are putting it back in, we have to make sure that the positive side is facing down. It even clearly states that on the cover there. So get the new battery, position it such that the positive side is facing downwards. Place it over there, and then press it to lock it in place. Alright, now it's locked. That's good. Now let's get the other side of the key fob, align them, and then simply press them together. Alright, now let's not forget to put the physical key back on. And now let's go ahead and try it out. Alright, everything's working. See how easy the whole process was? It only took us 3 minutes. And that's pretty much it.